After a short stay in Paradise Village Marina, we're just taking a short trip across the bay to the Cruz anchorage where we're going to set up shop and hang out for a while.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Just a short walk from the marina, we find the La Cruz City Plaza. These are great landmarks in each of the cities we've been at in Mexico. They're usually co-located with the cathedral and many of the things that we need to provision the boat.
From within, today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today.
This town plaza comes with a bit of a folklore with it. We read a story about a young lady that perished long ago. Her body was buried under this onocoxley tree, and the tree has flourished into a beautiful, beautiful tree. They built the city plaza around it, the cathedral, and the entire city.
Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when
The street art in La Cruz is amazing. I'm not sure who does it, but we tried to capture as many of them as we could as we walked around town.
all that ever was is a rise. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
We were lucky enough to be in La Cruz to celebrate the reopening of their open-air markets. Of course, they've been closed down during the COVID pandemic, but this was the first one they've had since March, and it was super cool. Lots of food, lots of eclectic art, all kinds of different booths, and we really enjoyed participating.
Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
Since Linda made all the arrangements for us to visit San Sebastian, Tammy took it upon herself to make the arrangements to go visit the Marietas Islands. You have to take a tour trip out here. You can't go on your own boat. And so we made arrangements to visit, see the hidden beach, and do a little snorkeling. When we arrived at the Marietas to access the hidden beach, we actually had to swim in. They couldn't drop us off at the beach because we had to access it through a tunnel. The swim wasn't super far, but once we entered the tunnel, the surge of the ocean in and out of that small area made it for a pretty interesting swim, to say the least.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Once we arrived at the hidden beach, we quickly learned there's another cave we could go explore. Tammy and I love caves, so we were all in. The last part of our tour was a snorkel. We motored over to the second island of the Marietas. It was a great spot, but unfortunately, as you can see, the visibility that day was not very good. Nonetheless, we really enjoyed ourselves. Thanks for watching.